All right, guys, we're here. Thank you to our sponsors, City Collision Center, CarPayday.com, and Cafe Lou. Cafe Lou girls are going to show you the lineup of cars that we're going to be using this year.
So what we have over here is a 2020 Ferrari Pista. So this is a Ferrari 488 Spider. Follow me. Over here we have a 2019 Lamborghini Aventador. So this is a 2019 Ferrari Portofino. And over here we have a 2018 Hurricane Spider Lamborghini. Hi, so this is a 2006 Ford GT. And over here we have a McLaren 720S. So this is a Jeep Gladiator 2021. This is a custom built. And over here I have a 2006